Hello, everyone. Welcome to Drinks and More, where we make cocktails for everyone. If you're just joining us for the first time, my name is Oluchi. With Valentine around the corner, I thought what better way to celebrate Valentine than to share with you three amazing recipes that you can share with your loved ones. So, first on my list is the Sex in the Driveway cocktail. Yes, you heard me. Sex in the Driveway. So, for this recipe, we'll be needing, I need my tall glass, vodka, peach schnapps, blue curacao, and I'll be topping up with my lime and soda of choice. For today, I'll be using Sprite. So let's get started. So I already have ice in my cocktail shaker. I'm just going to go ahead and add 1 ounce peach schnapps, 1 ounce vodka. I'm using Absolute. And 1 ounce blue curacao. I'm going to go ahead and shake. Then I'll go ahead and pour. I'll strain into my tall glass. I'm just going to go ahead and top with ice. Now you want to go ahead and top up with your Sprite. I'll just go ahead and garnish with a lemon. Pop in my straw and we're good to go. Here you have it, your sex in the driveway. Our next recipe is called the Love Martini. For this recipe, I already have ice in my shaker. I'm going to be taking 3/4 ounce of peach schnapps, pour in my shaker, 3/4 ounce vodka, and I'll be using Absolute. Feel free to use any brand of choice. I'll go ahead and pour in the shaker. And then I'll be taking 3 ounces of cranberry juice. I'm using ocean spray for this. I'm going to go ahead and add in a dash of strawberry puree. And then I'll shake, as usual, between 10 to 15 seconds. Now I'm going to go ahead and strain my drink into my martini glass. Now I'm going to go ahead and just pop in 2 strawberries for garnish. And here you have it, guys, your love martini. Sex on the Beach calls for 4 major ingredients: your vodka, peach schnapps, orange juice, and cranberry juice. Although some people like to also incorporate, pineapple juice, but the classic version calls for these 4 ingredients, and that's what we're making today. So I already have ice in my shaker. I'm going to go ahead and add 1 ounce of peach schnapps. I'm going to go ahead and add 2 to 3 ounces of orange juice. Now I'm going to go ahead and shake. I'm using my hurricane glass to serve this drink, and my hurricane glass is filled with crushed ice. And the reason I'm using crushed ice is this is a layered drink, and crushed ice would help the drink to settle, to layer properly. And the second part of this drink, I'm going to be mixing my vodka with my cranberry juice. For today's recipe, I'm using a raspberry flavored vodka. Feel free to use any flavor of vodka you want, or plain vodka. So I took 1 ounce raspberry vodka, and I'm also going to add 1.5 ounces of cranberry juice. I'll go ahead and stir, and then I'll top on my orange juice. I'm just going to go ahead and top up the ice in my glass, and then pour in my cranberry vodka mixture. There you have it, guys. Your sex on the beach. I'm going to go ahead and garnish with a grape wedge. And then I can put in my straw and dig in. So here you have your sex on the beach. Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And please also leave us a comment in the comment section. If there's any cocktail recipe you'd want me to make, please drop me a comment in the comment section. Bye, guys.